A quick look at VTHOR here. So this one had a decent little run here. You can see it sitting right on the low to the high 236, right over the macro 618 here at 0074. So as long as you're over 74 and even down to 64, this thing is still bullish here. Now going all the way down to the 4-hour chart, this thing's doing exactly what some of these other bigger coins are doing and forming this very bullish consolidation. If I can find my stick here, so here we go. So this triangle pattern that is forming here on the 4-hour is extremely bullish here. It's a continuation pattern to the upside. So this thing does not look bad right now. If it can hold over the 618 here, we'll get this out of the way so we can see. And like I said, down to the 236. But as you hold over the 618 here, this thing looks to be in good shape at the moment and potentially continuing to run. But it did just make the higher high here and the higher low, so it completed what it needed to do. We've seen this time and time again to where we break just above, we form the higher high, and then that's all she wrote. So we'll see what happens here. If that pattern on the smaller time frame holds up, then the next big stop, of course, on the chart here is the 786 up to a penny here. So 1.3 would be next for another 73% move. So as of right now, it looks good. You can see the RSI just going vertical down here above 50, so not a bad look. Now this thing right now is sitting at a 685 million market cap, and the best chart I could find here is the one we're looking at, because this thing apparently did where this dotted line is. This is the previous all-time high up at about 4.5 pennies according to CoinGecko here. And this chart here, we got a couple of numbers to watch. So if this thing's going to be something and run, you can see that if it comes up to this 2021 high to the low 1272 possible retracement at 7.5 pennies, that would give you a 6.5 billion market cap. I think that's very possible on VTHOR here, and that would give you a 10x up to that level. Now this red box here, this is going from the all-time chart high to the low. This is actually your 1272 new high, the same as this, up at 20 cents. So maybe you hit 20 cents and get a 25.5x out of this thing, and maybe up to 20 to 25. That's the reason for the box here, from the 1272 up to the 1618 on the smaller fib here, of course. Would give you about a 33x all the way up to there, and a 17 billion market cap to 22 billion in that area. But I do like this target here, the 7-cent range, for a good 10x out of VTHOR. We'll see if she holds up. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.